Oh, it seems that
You what, love?
not every. I'm talking to the camera, Pat.
Oh, sorry.
Seems that not everybody is like me. I thought if these bays where it says motorhomes, if these bays were full, I'd just clear off and go somewhere else. But it would appear that people are quite prepared to park in the middle there. It says if you occupy 2 bays, you have to pay buy 2 tickets, which I might add you can't do on the phone app. You can't, it won't let you do it. I tried somewhere else, I tried to buy 2 tickets and it won't not let you. So that says, the writing on that van there says, not all who wander are lost. I'd rather say not all who are lost wander. That applies more to me. Well, there you go, folks. Well, it's continued raining and still is. But we haven't been out. I've been watching Woodstock on my phone. Do you remember? In the 60s. The Woodstock concert. Right. See you in the morning. All being well. Bye-bye. That's the view out of the side window. Morning, folks. Well, we've got a blue sky, which is good for charging. I've got the solar panels will be bringing some power in. Turn the heating off. And I've got the Jackery charging up from. I've got the, you see there, it's plugged into there. Now that socket is a 12 volt socket and it comes from the leisure battery rather than the van battery. Just that one. So it's plugged into there. Is the Jackery. I've now got 80% charge in there now. It's bringing 41 watts in, it says there, from the battery. And the solar's recharging the battery because the sun's out. I've emptied the cassette. I've emptied the cassette over there in the Elson provided. I've emptied the grey waste into that drain there. And I've topped up the water from a tap on that building over there. And there's a rubbish bin over in that corner over there. You can't see it now, there's a car in front of it, where I've taken some rubbish. So we've been able to do everything from this spot that I need to do. I'm going to turn the charge off to the Jackery, give it another 5 or 10 minutes, and then we're going to go out. I mean, it is windy, but we're going out. And I'll leave then the solar to recharge the leisure. And we seem to be having some clear blue sky here, which is brilliant. So I reckon we'll be able to stay here another night. I'll just renew my parking charge on the app. You can do that from wherever you are, so I don't even have to come back to the van to top it up. I can do it on my phone wherever we are, which is really good. So we're going to go and have a walk around hopefully today. I know it's windy, but we're off out. So see you later, folks. That's where we are, in the middle of them there. There's a car park. We've got a cafe there and a pub up there, look, Tomahawk. And there's the raging sea. Good for surfing, look at it.
Yeah.
All them white horses.
Which way do you want to go? Surfing.
The building new beach huts here, look. They're quite substantial. Quite well built, these. There's Pat, look. Look, all them that built there down there, they're pretty good, aren't they?
Yeah.
Look, there's people at sea. Well, Pat's doing well. We're coming up this hill here. Look at all that wild garlic down there. Tons on it.
Yeah.
And we're off up here.
Yes, it's in them.
Look, the sun's shining. Can you believe it?
Oh, it's a lovely place.
What, Pat?
That lady with blue tabard on,
Oh.
I think she's doing some gardening.
Right.
There's some tools down there.
Ah, yeah. Be nice it's summer.
Yeah.
We've been looking at this interesting place. This is, I think it's 4-star here. Broccoli Hall Boutique Hotel. They do, you can read that at your own leisure. That they do some good deals in here. 4-star here. It's quite a nice place. Well, it's lovely here, you know, you're out at wind. We're looking at this here. Friday, fish and fizz. 2 haddock and chips, 2 glasses of Prosecco, £33 for a couple. That's what, 16 each? That's good, isn't it? Very nice. This is the back of it.
Yeah.
It's really big place. Gypsy caravans there.
Yeah.
We've just come down these steps. There we are at the bottom where the river is. So this is the river that's at the back of our van. So we'll walk along this path and it should bring us back to the van. There we are, we've come to the pub. This is the Tomahawk, I think it's called. Lovely place.